Choosing the right door material for your home in Palmetto Bay, Florida, is more important than you might think. Doors are not just functional, they are a statement piece that adds to the curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic of your house. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, selecting the appropriate material will affect both the look and performance of your door. Here's a guide to help you choose the best door material for your Palmetto Bay home. Consider the climate in Palmetto Bay. Palmetto Bay is known for its tropical climate, which can be hot, humid, and rainy for much of the year. With this in mind, you want a door material that can withstand these conditions without deteriorating quickly. Wooden doors. While beautiful, traditional wooden doors may not be the best choice in Palmetto Bay due to the area's high humidity and heavy rainfall. Wood is prone to warping, swelling, and rotting when exposed to moisture over time. However, if you love the look of wood, consider investing in treated or engineered wood options that have better resistance to weather elements. Fiberglass doors. A more resilient option for humid climates like Palmetto Bay is fiberglass. It can mimic the look of wood but is far more durable and resistant to moisture, warping, and cracking. Fiberglass doors are also well insulated, helping to keep your home energy efficient. Steel doors. Steel doors are another great option for Palmetto Bay's climate. These doors are incredibly durable, resistant to extreme weather, and require minimal maintenance. However, they can rust if not properly sealed, so ensure that the steel is treated to resist corrosion. Focus on security. When it comes to door materials, security should be one of your primary considerations. Whether you're choosing an entry door or a patio door, you want something that provides peace of mind. Steel doors. For enhanced security, steel doors are one of the best options. They are solid, durable, and offer superior protection against break-ins. Many steel doors come with additional security features, such as reinforced cores and enhanced locking mechanisms. Fiberglass doors. While not as strong as steel, high-quality fiberglass doors still offer a good level of security, especially if they are reinforced with a solid core. Pairing a fiberglass door with a robust locking system will provide ample security for your home. Wooden doors. A solid wooden door can offer decent security, but it's important to ensure that the wood is thick and solid. Additionally, wooden doors should come with sturdy, high-quality hardware to maximize security. Aesthetic appeal. The door is one of the first things guests and passers-by will notice about your home. The material you choose should complement the style of your house and reflect your personal taste. Wooden doors. Wood is a timeless and classic choice for homeowners who want to add warmth and natural beauty to their home. A wooden door can elevate the look of a traditional or rustic-style home, or it can provide a beautiful contrast in modern designs. The versatility of wood allows for endless customization options, from sleek modern doors to ornate, intricate designs. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors can be designed to mimic the appearance of wood, but they are also available in a wide range of other styles. Whether you prefer a modern, sleek look or a more traditional design, fiberglass doors can be made to fit your aesthetic needs. They are available in various finishes, colors and textures, offering flexibility in design. Steel doors. Steel doors tend to have a more industrial or modern look. While they can be customized with various finishes and panels, they don't offer the same warmth or natural appeal that wood or fiberglass can provide. Steel doors are ideal if you're looking for something sleek and secure, but they may not be the best choice for those wanting a more traditional or rustic vibe. Energy efficiency. Living in Palmetto Bay means dealing with heat and humidity for a significant portion of the year. A door that is not energy efficient can result in higher utility bills as your HVAC system works overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. When selecting a door, you'll want one that provides good insulation. Fiberglass doors. These are typically the best for energy efficiency. They have excellent insulation properties that help keep your home cool during the hot summer months and warm during cooler nights. Many fiberglass doors are foam insulated, adding another layer of protection against heat transfer. Steel doors. Steel doors are also good for energy efficiency, especially when they are insulated. Look for options that feature a foam core to maximize their insulation capabilities. Steel doors can help reduce heating and cooling costs by keeping the internal temperature of your home more stable. Wooden doors. Wood offers some natural insulation properties, but it doesn't compare to fiberglass or steel when it comes to energy efficiency. If you opt for wood, make sure it is well sealed and consider additional insulation options to enhance its performance. Maintenance requirements. Different materials require different levels of maintenance, so think about how much upkeep you're willing to invest in your door. Wooden doors. Wood requires regular maintenance, including sealing, staining, and occasional refinishing. If you're willing to put in the effort, wooden doors can maintain their beauty for years, but they do require ongoing attention. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is virtually maintenance-free. It doesn't need repainting and is highly resistant to scratching or denting. A simple cleaning routine is all that's needed to keep fiberglass doors looking great. Steel doors. Steel doors are low maintenance but should be inspected for rust or dents periodically. Proper sealing can prevent rusting, but if the paint begins to chip or wear away, it will need to be touched up. Conclusion. Choosing the right door material for your Palmetto Bay home ultimately comes down to balancing aesthetics, security, energy efficiency, and maintenance. Fiberglass offers a versatile, low-maintenance, and energy-efficient option ideal for the humid climate, while steel provides robust security and durability. Wooden doors can add timeless beauty but require more maintenance. Whatever your choice, make sure to select a door that complements your home's style while providing the security and energy efficiency you need for years to come.